Eddie's going to teach you how to punt.
Throw it. Throw it. Throw it.
Dylan!
Throw it. There's the ball.
Got the ball. Yay! Yay! Ready?
Roll it away from him so he'll crawl toward it.
Throw it.
He'll
Throw it.
throw it.
Come on, Joey. Come on, Joey. Come on.
Good, how smart.
Good.
Yay.
Go get it.
Go get the ball.
And how does he know how to throw?
I know. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. Go get it. Whoa! There you go.
She's so determined.
Hey, Joey.
What you gonna do about a gate yet?
Hey, Joey.
You could just put one here. That would work.
Yeah, that's a good boy.
That's just such a big opening.
Oh.